Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and your Hanukkah is going fabulously and you're ready for the new year. I'm going to do a super quick updates video today just to literally update you. I am back from Maui, had a wonderful time, wonderful weather, relaxed, floated. Mr. Crafting and Relaxing did some snorkeling, laid on the beach. I did not tan. I do not tan, people. So I didn't burn, and we look at that and we call that a win. I have a couple cards to share with you. I have not checked my P.O. box since I've been back, so if you sent me something and I'm not sharing it, it's because I haven't seen it yet. This is a lovely card from our friend Maria in Vancouver, and she's got fun little embellishments, and the ribbon and like the knot is like perfect. Like, did you have to work at that for a long time? Did you buy it that way? I don't know. Now, Maria is a green lover, so Christmas is a good time for her, right? It's like July for me. Okay, this is from Christina and Grace, and I think Grace is my youngest viewer. I have some artwork on the wall from her, and let me show you what she did for me in here after we look at this beautiful card that her mom made. So it has this bow, and it's two pieces right here, and Merry Christmas, and then this has dimension, not sure if you can tell, and then it opens this way. Very cool, right? Then look what Grace did for me. Oh my gosh. To Sarah, Eliza, Zelda, and Zeus. Oh my gosh. And she's got little drawings down there, and she's got my Wilson. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, you two. I just love it. Absolutely love it. Ooh, look at this nice little piece of paper here too. Very sweet. Thank you so much. And then Letty, who is Party Planner Papery, made this card. Okay, you know I've been into postage stamps lately, so look at this. She's cut them all out, and it's non-traditional colors for Christmas, but I kind of love this minty, you know, really fun. And then she's got dimension here and some enamel dots, which that would have been hard for me to figure out where to put them, so that's fun. She's got little accents on the inside too. And then look at these. I'm crafting today. Scratch to reveal what size card to make. And let's make a $347 card. Take out those new supplies. Scratch a prompt to help guide you. She just has really fun stuff going on. And so what she's doing is a lot of crafting and saving on her channel. So if you're not familiar with Letty, check her out. If you like making batches of cards and smashing paper pads, you have got to be familiar with her. I mean, she puts me to shame, ladies. Okay, I've been working on my December daily. Have you? I think I'm going to tie, I'm not going to add beads. That's not necessarily me. But I think I'm going to tie this up and then trim it so it's kind of a tassely mess. And I forgot to bring enough supplies with me, so I haven't glued anything in yet. But I did use some of my puffy stickers, and I'm going to finish that out. I have not opened the new die cutter, and I was like, when am I going to make a video and do that? And I thought, well, we'll just do it right now. And we are supposed to be getting ready to go to a Christmas party. We have a Christmas party tonight. We're doing a Hanukkah thing tomorrow night. So, I mean, we got a lot going on, but we need to at least open the box, right? So if you hadn't heard, this is the Anna die cutter, and it's the small one. So Anna Griffin, she's been around forever. She does really formal stuff. This is probably the dies that came with it, because it was like the party, not a party pack, but a combo pack. Anyway, in this box, we have an Empress die cutter mini. Now, they are not that much cheaper than the big ones. So if you're trying to save money, I don't think size is necessarily going to do it for you. But I like smaller things because I do cards and clusters and all that kind of stuff. If you do more mixed media and journals, you probably want the bigger ones. You want the card front dies, and you want the giant dies of like 6x9 to do a page. But this is the Anna Griffin Empress Mini die cutting and embossing machine. And we're not going to run it today. We're going to take it out of the box. We're going to see how big it is on the counter. Kind of what it looks like. Okay, these are the plates. We've got all the plates. I would call it a mini. I mean, it's way bigger than, oh, it's adorable. It's like a small toaster. It's much bigger than, okay, here, let's get some scale. This white one is bigger than a Sidekick. You know, you can have a Tim Sidekick or a Sizzix Sidekick. This white one is bigger than that. And then this thing, I would say, is probably like twice as big size-wise on the counter, right? But you don't have the handle that sticks out. You'll have a cord instead. It's electric, which, I'll be honest with you, that's not really my first choice because electric on video is not good. I probably won't use it a lot on video. Depending on how loud it is, you know, it might be horrible. It's super girly colors, right? There's like nothing this adorable in my craft room, really. And then the plates will go in through the front, and we'll have our cord right here. So I can tell that setup is going to be extensive, man. Setup and assembly is going to be just brutal. Here we go. Cord. Well, maybe I shouldn't say that because I really don't know how to put it together. There we go. Power cord. So I think we're done. Let's set up and install. I have plenty of plug-ins because Santa brought me an electrician a couple years ago. If you weren't here, that was a good Christmas. If power and plug-ins where you craft is a big deal, then obviously you don't want to go electronic. Mr. Crafting and Relaxing hates the sounds of these. I don't know where he stands on this machine, but I can tell you he does not like electric cutter machines. So it's going to be super simple. Like, this is the whole direction book, right? Okay, I will read that. I will play with it. Came with, I think that says Hope. That's kind of cute. I don't know that I knew it came with these. And it has an embossing folder in there. Anna Griffin, she's been around a really long time. And like you can tell, like this isn't necessarily my style, but she makes good stuff. And if you've been a crafter and you've been a crafter for a long time, you know how to make good stuff. You know what we need. So that is my little present. Santa did bring me a present, even though I got to go to Maui because I was just whining about die cutters and such. And there was a killer sale. I think that's it. Remember, just because I buy something doesn't mean you should buy it. I haven't tested it. I don't know if it's magical. Noni likes the Empress very much. And so we thought that I would like it. But remember, you don't have to get new stuff. And you probably don't craft as much as I do and wear your stuff out like I do. It is not a competition like she who has the newest toys. No, that's not what we're doing here. We're just playing with our stuff. I am mapping out my collabs for the year. We're going to do a members Zoom New Year's Day. If you're a member and you're not in the loop on that, be sure to message me or check it out. It's in the morning, but we don't have the morning exactly figured out for all the time zones. So I guess for some people, it's not in the morning. For me, it's in the morning. Probably one new collab in 2025, trying to figure that out still. I think that's it. I will probably be back in a week or so with another updates. I have a small pad video coming out and update on Zelda because in that video I didn't know yet. She is healthy, but she is not going in the litter box 100%. So we still have a little bit of a problem there. If you have any tips for me on how to get a cat back in the box after a UTI, love to hear them. After Smash That Small Pad would be Smash Our Stash on the 7th. I think we're doing inks. I'm not sure. I have to look at that and figure it out. Take care of yourselves, and I hope that your holiday season has been wonderful. Don't overdo it, and Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.